How to fix no GPS signal lost on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and insert software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, and make sure disable battery optimization. After disable battery optimization, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, now in settings, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on factory reset. After click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.